when you were younger, what was your favorite subject?
Actually, it was English.
Wow.
That's why you're an English teacher now.
Literally, it was English.
English.
If you were to work on TV, what kind of job would you like to do? Why? Actually, I would work as a journalist because I love to say the truth to the people and kind of thrilling work.
Wow, it's really amazing. So I found the composer. Does he write the story of the movie or only the background music?
The background music.
So now, my dear, in the breakout room, 2 minutes, check our answers together.
I realized something. Most of the things that I put in the TV jobs, they're supposed to be in the publishing jobs. Okay, I'm just like you. They are the same answers. I added 2 and they are wrong. They have to be in the publishing jobs. And the last thing, computer jobs, computer programmer, photo editor, and software designer.
So my dear, now in the breakout room, choose a job from all these categories and tell us why. You have 3 minutes, my dear, and please pay attention to your friend and his or her reasons, because when you come back, you'll share it with me.
The news character, because it is telling us the news. So without this person, how can we know the news? The news are really important about the weather, about maybe other countries and the wars. All of these things are important. So this person is really important, so that he is telling us all the news that we need to know around the whole world actually. So we don't need to go to this country to know its news actually.
Guys, you're doing a great job throughout this level, and I'm so proud of what you're doing. Thank you, my dear, and good night.
Bye.
Bye.